The E88 EVO drone is a budget-friendly option that boasts impressive features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a affordable dual-camera drone with brushless motors. Key features: brushless motor provides efficient and durable performance. Superscript 1. Dual camera offers 4K 480p resolution, ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. Superscript 1. Optical flow positioning enables stable flight and precise hovering. Superscript 2. Foldable design, compact and portable, making it easy to carry around. Superscript 2. Long flight time, up to 12 to 15 minutes of flight time, depending on conditions. Superscript 2. Superscript 1. Price. The E88 EVO drone is available at an affordable price of 2,699 Indian rupees, which is approximately 55% off the original price of 5,999 Indian rupees. Superscript 2. Pros and cons. Pros. Affordable price point. Brushless motors for efficient performance. Dual camera setup for capturing stunning footage. Foldable design for portability. Limited flight range, around 150 to 200 meters. No onboard recording. Footage is captured through Wi-Fi FPV. Superscript 3. Camera quality may not be exceptional, especially in low-light conditions. Superscript 3. Overall, the E88 EVO drone offers impressive features at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly dual-camera drone with brushless motors.